Good day, traders. Back with another video. As you can see, and as I told you on my previous video, that I'll be doing weekly forecasts, right? So here's a video. This week we're looking at three pairs, namely the Euro, NZD, the USD and lastly the GBP NZD, right? So we're trading the NZD this week. Okay, with that being said, first we got Euro NZD. So these two horizontal lines are weekly highs and lows. This one is the weekly high and this one is the weekly low, right? So we had a sweep right over here, right? We get this sweep. So yeah, here's the theory. We sweep the weekly low, we target the weekly high. We sweep the weekly high, we target the weekly low, right? So here, as you can see, we sweep the weekly low, meaning we're targeting these highs, right? So we want to see something like this, right? I don't know how exactly price will do this, but we're looking for something like this. Hey, the path is always giving me problems. But yeah, man, basically we're looking for something like this. Yeah, we're looking for something like that. We wanna enter somewhere around these lows. I don't enter trades while price is at the middle of the range. I want, if this is a buy setup, so I wanna buy at the discount, right? I think that's the right word for it. I wanna buy at a discount, pulling out the fib. Yeah, I'm looking for something like this on the Euro NZD. I'm looking for something like this. That is our first setup, potential setup, I mean. Secondly, the NZDJPY. NZDJPY, we swept the weekly highs, as y'all can see over here, right? We sweep the weekly highs, now we targeting the weekly lows. Yeah, man, I can see a head and shoulder already, so we already have head and shoulders. So I don't know, let's see if we pull out the fib. Okay, so price might want to do something like this. Price might want to do something like this, right? Yeah, or something like this. We don't know. We'll never know. Something like this, right? If it's something like this, then I'm gonna enter somewhere here, right? Because what I want to do is that I don't want to enter a trade outside of the range. Like you see, the 0.7 retracement is out of the range, meaning I'll have to place my sell limit outside of the range which is against my rules, right? I want to see price inside the range for me to execute. Since this is a sell setup, I wanna execute at the premium, right? So yeah, we'll see what this setup plays out like. So our third pair, the GBP and ZD, we wanna buy because we had a sweep of these low. Right now we wanna buy. But looking at this, it is still bearish, right? So for me to be confident with these buys, we will have to have a bullish displacement, right? But yeah, man, what usually happens is that out of all the setups, maybe I'm dating, just like I'm looking at 3 pairs for this coming week. I'm looking to execute at least one. I won't be in position for all of the 3 pairs. 1 or 2 is okay because some don't play out as I'm forecasting, right? So you know how the market is like, man. You'll never know exactly what's going to happen with the charts. So yeah, man, this is what I'm looking forward to this coming week. The buys on the GBP and ZD, sells on the NZD JPY, and again buys on the Euro NZD. So overall, we buying the NZD, we buying the NZD, right? Or we selling the NZD, I mean, because here we on the Euro USD, I'm looking for buys, and NZD is the counter currency, meaning I'm buying NZD actually. Yeah, we buying NZD. Nah, man, we selling NZD because I'm selling NZD JPY, right? This is the base currency. We selling it. We buying right here. We buying the euro against the NZD. Again, here we buying the GBP against the NZD. So overall, we selling the NZD. My mistake. Yeah, we selling the NZD. Yeah, that's all for this coming week. See y'all on the next video.